up Leela gang, welcome back to my video. This is vlog number 10. I booked a 2-bedroom, like a hotel room for my parents' anniversary. It was a gift, like a surprise for them, you can say.
You lay awake alone at night. Oh, like your life inside a car. Forget the world and drive real far. Put that record on again. Oh, my love, it's you and I. Close, close, and come back this far.
At Taj Hotel in Nasik, since it was my mom and dad's anniversary. And guess what, we are at Taj, so we'll be checking in the room in about some time. My dad's just filling some papers and we'll be going into the room, and I hope you're going to enjoy, and you guys are also going to enjoy this vlog. So subscribe to Leela Vlogs. So I'm back in the room and
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm. Wait. Everybody calm down. No.
Guess what? This is my mom and dad's surprise. So romantic. Yay.
The next day.
Good morning. Okay, so we just got up and we are going to go and have breakfast. Now I've just come to my parents' room to keep the GoPro on charge since I need it for some underwater shots. You guys will enjoy the shot. The best part about my mom and dad's room is this. They have a balcony and they have a view. I don't have a balcony, I don't have a view. I just have a window. That sucks. Okay, we'll go and have breakfast. Better.
A few moments later. 2 hours later.
The breakfast is amazing over here. I just had one plate. You might have seen the time lapse and I'll be showing you more. It's amazing. I'm so hungry and I'm going to enjoy like anything.